right, guys and gals, we're ready to go on Pristine Baseball. This is a 2-box random team, our last couple boxes that we have in stock. First things first, let's do a little randomization process. After eBay, we'll start back up the breaks. Mosaic looks like it's back in focus. All right, so here we go. A couple of combo teams are in there. It's 28 total spots. Here we go. 3 plus. 6 more. We got to go all the way to 9. All right, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Max number of clicks here on the brake pad. All right, so that has Kansas City to Houston. Okay, cool. Royals to Astros, all up on the screen. And our 28 participants, 3 plus. Another 6 for real. Oh, man. All right, we're going to be fine. I think a half an hour to do this will be plenty. I think. 7. You know how many packs that is. It's the packs of packs. All right, after 9 clicks, boom. David to Brian. It's a random team break, and this one you guys are welcome to trade your teams in the chat if you'd like to try. All right, Royals to David. Brian, Astros. I'm going to sort alphabetically by your names, guys, and then we'll plug them in onto the screen. All right, your teams. Robert, we should double check. We can double check that for you, but might have been during a website interruption. Was it today? Kale, try again. Have they shown? Kale, what's your question? you guys are here for the eBay breaks, you get to watch some packs upon packs upon packs. But not that many. It's only 2 boxes. It's not too bad. Anybody remember the Pristine product? This was a product that came out or was around whenever I was not into buying cards. So this is when they brought it back last year. I looked it up and went, "Oh, this should be really, really cool," and it was. Leave those over there. We'll show the one touches at the end. All right, so here we go. Refractors. William Contreras and Ozzie Smith. Refractors, and this is the base pack. Chris Bryant. Oh, snap. Clemens rookie and Bo Bichette. That's going to be numbered for my Toronto Blue Jays, Mike, 67 of 99. And a Peraza rookie for the Yankees. All right, Ketel Marte and Frank Thomas. Refractors. Whoa, Canseco as a Ray. Haha, never seen that one. All right, nice. Swings of Summer. Juan Soto. A more rare insert, and I got a Pujols that's going, gone. Back, gone. All right, still. All right, Blackburn. Oh, we're gonna have a Guardian in gold on Andres Jimenez. Darren's Guardian spot. It's the Jimenez, 26 of 50. 26 of 50. Sorry, guys. I thought it was on autofocus. I've kind of... All right. There's another one. Oh, snap. Chris Bryant. Second one of those. Pop them in there together. All right, sweet. Here we go. Got an autograph card coming up here. Good luck, guys. So, Livan Soto, the Angels. A little bit of ink. All right, it's this direction. Here we go. Bat piece. Mets Marte. Congrats to Corey. The autograph bat piece. Starling Marte. Around the diamond.
Very nice. So the Metropolitans hit it. And there's a Levine Soto. All right. Supposed to be putting my... I like to keep my base and refractors separate as I'm doing this. And there we go. Now I got it. Base over there. Refractors and inserts over there.
Cool. All right, here we go.
Josh Young it was. Oh, geez, such a bad habit. Base cards are going here then. Let me switch myself up here.
All right, Griffey going, gone.
Tunage. All right, Jeter Downs, refractor, and a Bagwell in blue for Houston. It's 10 of 75 on the bags.
Congrats to Houston. That's Brian. Salvador Perez going on. All right, there is Tim Anderson, the refractor, and a purple of Luis Arias. Miami, that's 8 out of 99 for the Marlins. Hot wire on the Marlins. Soto going, gone.
All right, guys, I think we got another thick. All right, should have something else signed here. Good luck.
Behind the Bellinger. Astros. Is it Jeremy?
Nice. So many redemptions I hit a Jeremy Pena. And now it's a live autograph around the diamond. Boom. Brian, you are heating up again, man.
Congrats on the Pena.
Wow. Boom. Bellinger. Wait, that's the refractor. Get it over there. All right, let's see what else is in that pack.
There's Pee Wee Reese.
Small Stars, and Josh for Texas.
All right, behind the Baez is Mr. Fantoma.
Reggie Jackson in gold. That's going to be out of 50. 43 out of 50 on the Reggie. And there's a Gunner. Fresh faces. All right, Jack Peterson and Anthony Rizzo. A couple of refractors. Volpe. And McGuire going, gone. All right, just two more other packs before we get to the in-case stuff. Crawford and David Wright in blue for the Mets. 20 out of 75. 20 out of 75. There's the back. Bobby Witt Jr. Refractors, final 2 refractors, Devers and Holmes. All right, and the final pack inside with base, Schwab gone. Double checking for refractors. All right, I got them all now. There was one I missed, but I got it. And let me just leave. This is only a 2-box break. I'm gonna go a little extra and catch these refractors that were rookies. All right, now we go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go with the 1-touches. First one, I'm just gonna go in order. Mark Appel, an autograph for the Phillies. Mike, there he is. Cool story. Mark Appel, Pristine autograph card. And there's a Clemente for the Pirates, Corey. That's the Pristine version, no number. This one is numbered. It's out of 50. Max Meyer, rookie for the Marlins. Hot wire. Nice one there, numbered. And another congratulations on the back. That's an autograph of Gabriel Moreno. Whoa, it says Blue Jays on the back, but Diamondbacks on the front. I'm going to the Diamondbacks with it because it's got the Diamondbacks jersey. I mean, this is hilarious. Did we hit this card before? That is wild. I'm going Diamondbacks. The front of the card trumps the back of the card. Unbelievable. All right. White Sox. Mike. Pristine. And a blue Carrot Hill for the Tigers, David. It's 3 of 75. Here's another congratulations. Diamondbacks, Buddy Kennedy again, Brian. Buddy Kennedy, and that's got Diamondbacks on the front and the back. No question about that one. Verlander for the Mets. Verlander. DeGrom. Ooh, that's a low number, Texas. Mike, it's 8 out of 15 on the DeGrom. And for the Yankees, Oswald Peraza, Fresh Faces. Boom. Autograph for Mike in the Yankee spot. Fresh Faces autograph card. Then we have an Alec Thomas, Pristine, encased card. And Yankees, Giancarlo Stanton out of 75 in blue. All right, so let's see. We had Thomas, Verlander, Anderson, and Clemente. That was your Pristine encased. And then 4 numbers as well. So the Stanton blue, DeGrom, magenta, call it. I don't know. Or fuchsia. Hill and Meyer. And then the autos, Peraza, Kennedy, Moreno, and Appel in that one. Plus these guys right here. Blue right, gold Reggie, Jeremy Pena around the horn. Arias, Bagwell, and Starling Marte around the diamond. Wait, did I say horn? Diamond. Okay, they're both diamond, yeah. Jimenez, and then the Swings of Summer, Juan Soto, insert, and Bo Bichette also in there. All right, and that'll do it, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Taking a shot on the 2-boxer of Pristine tonight. And we'll see, man. It's always these nice new Topps products that came out. We always wish we could get more. But as of right now, we're out at that. Guys, thanks so much. eBay Breaks coming up next. I'm going to go get my boxes, and we'll get them all set up, and we'll get eBay Breaks rolling here momentarily if you're here early for that.
Awesome. Thank you. Good luck. And we'll be breaking those in just a few minutes. Check out our website in the meantime. We've got National Treasures football. Boom. Random filler. Let's check out the teams you can get in that. Put them up on the screen. Boom. There they are. So, yeah, if you guys want to jump in there, go ahead and do it. All right, I'll be right back. Looks like I might have a gold pack to break, too. Thanks, guys. All right. So, hey, keeping it fair. If you're taking off for tonight, have a great rest of your holiday weekend. Thanks for hanging out with us on this Labor Day Sunday. And as my uncle would say, keeping it fair when it's St. Showman's, that's a wrap. There they are, all three of them.